Hello friends, இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா how to convert 8-bit BCD number into hexadecimal number. Problem: write an assembly language program in 8680 microprocessor to convert a 8-bit BCD number into hexadecimal number. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இன்புட் டேட்டா given 25, ஆஃப்செட் 500, அவுட்புட் டேட்டா 90, ஆஃப்செட் 600. Assumption: initial value of segment register is 00000. Calculation of physical memory address equal to segment registration 10h plus offset, where segment register is 00000. Assumption: an offset is given in the program. Algorithm: assign a value 500 in SL and 600 in DI. Move the contents of SI in BL. Use an instruction to calculate and between of and contents of BL. Move the contents of SI in AL. Use AND instruction to calculate and between F0 and contents of AL. Move 04 in CL. Use ROR instruction on AL. Move OA in DL. Use MUL instruction to multiply AL and DL. Use add instruction to add AL with BL. Move the contents of AL in DI. Halt the program. Memory address mnemonics command 0400. Move SI, 500. SI is equal to 500. 0403. 0406, 0408, 0408, 0406. Explanation: registers used SI, DI, AL, BL, CL, DL. Move SI, 500 is used to move offset 500 to starting index SI.